This is your MLRIT webinar. Today I am completing. Next, this is one conference keynote speaker, and this is a one-day workshop forthcoming. If you are interested for my session, I am going to share with you for free of cost for Indians, because I am staying abroad. For Indians, I am giving free of cost. You can directly join. I am going to share with you my that URL. How to create best research article using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a AI model, generative pre-trained transformers. You know, GPT, based on the reinforcement algorithm, they have implemented ChatGPT. I have given 2 sessions already on ChatGPT. If you want, any college would like to organize any workshop or webinar, I am ready to take any technology. Data science, big data, cyber security, cloud computing, AI technologies, blockchain technologies, IoT applications. So all practicals I am going to demonstrate. If you are interested, personal training also I am giving. I am a corporate trainer for Deloitte. I am doing for employees, I am giving training. So if you want personal training or a university workshop webinar, you can use my details. I am going to demonstrate with the practical session. This is my forthcoming workshop, one-day workshop on how to create best research article using ChatGPT. And recently I have completed many workshops, webinar. All over the world, I am giving presentations. These are the previous webinars I have conducted. Nearly 175 webinars within 2 years. Within 2 years, I have completed 175 webinars I have conducted. That's why 174 videos I have uploaded in my channel. You can use my channel for your preparation, for demonstration, for any topic explanation. So please, only so far 43 participants subscribe my channel. What about remaining? Please, still 272 participants are there. Please use your mobile, at least use your mobile, subscribe, that's all. These are my previous webinars. I have given various in USA, UK, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Philippines, various countries. I have presented my topics. Maximum universities. My dear friends, this is at Russia. I have given COVID-19 strain virus detection using CNN and RNN techniques. I have demonstrated for that university. Ural Federal University. This is at Oman, big data analytics using Spark. I'm going to demonstrate Spark tool also. So these are the various, this is at ISER Tirupati. And this is at Best Local Chapter Award, IIT Madras. I got it. Then this is Best IT APA, IT Teacher Award at Hyderabad. And this is at Bharat Vidya Ratan Award at Delhi, 2018. This is at Doctorate Award from JNTU Anantapur. This is keynote speaker at some colleges. Keynote speaker. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. So there are various are there.